Okay, Okers, this is going to be a video that's going to help you with worksheet 6, which has more challenging perimeter word problems. And I'm going to look at two problems, number 2 and number 4. Now it's important when you do these problems to make sure you draw the pictures, because in the pictures you're going to be defining the variables. Let's look at number 2. The length of a rectangle is 6 centimeters longer than the width. If the rectangle is increased by 9 centimeters and the width by 5 centimeters, the perimeter will be 160 centimeters. Find the dimensions of the rectangle. So the first thing I had to do, I drew my original rectangle. And I know that my length was 6 longer than my width. So I've given the variables x to my width and x plus 6 to my length. Now it says I'm going to increase my length by 9 and I'm going to increase my width by 5. So I'm going to draw a new rectangle where I have my length increased by 9, so it's x plus 6, which is the old length, plus 9, and then I have x plus 5, which is 5 more than the original width. Now I'm going to kind of change x plus 9 to x plus 15, because that's what 6 plus 9 is equal to when I have x with it. Now, perimeter, I'm going to have two sides that are x plus 15 and two sides that are x plus 5. So I'm going to write my equation down as 2x plus 15s plus 2x plus 5s is equal to 160. I'm going to use the distributive property on the left-hand side of the equal sign to get rid of my parentheses. And when I do that, I get 2x plus 30, because 2 times 15 is 30, plus 2x plus 10 is equal to 160. Now when I combine my like terms on the left side of the equation, I get 4x, because I'm going to combine my 2x here and my 2x there to make 4x, plus 40, which is 30 plus 10 is equal to 40, is equal to 160. And again, now I've made it into a simple two-step equation, which you should be able to do, and I'm not going to go on and show any more of that work besides what I've done. Let's look at the next problem. Okay, the perimeter of a triangle is 69 centimeters. Side A is 5 shorter than side B. Side C is twice as long as A. Find the length of each side. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to define my rectangle. Now, or triangle, excuse me. Now, what I did for this one, since I'm finding C by multiplying it by A by 2, multiplying A by 2, what I did is I let A be x, and then I could let C be 2x. That just made it a lot easier than if I let B be x and then A x minus 5. Now it says A is 5 shorter than B, so then I have B as x plus 5. I did it that way. I could have had B be x, have B be the variable x, and then A would be x plus 5, but then C would be 2x minus 5. I guess it would be x minus 5, and then this is going to be 2x minus 5s. And I thought that was a little bit trickier. So what I did is I let A be x, and then C is going to be twice as long as A, so that's 2x, and B is 5 longer than A, so it's x plus 5. Now, when I write that equation, I have x plus 5 plus 2x is equal to 69. When I combine my like terms, I'm going to have 4x plus 5 is equal to 69. And now again, it's an easy two-step equation which you should be able to solve. If you can't solve the problems when I get to the two-step equation, you need to make sure you watch my video on two-step equations that I have for you guys made up also. If you have any questions, make sure you stop in to school early and talk to me about them. But hopefully these videos help you do worksheet number 46.